Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm baking the lockdown chocolate cake. So we're making the lockdown chocolate cake, and what I have today, I'm going to show you. I'm going to use some baking powder, and I have 350 grams of the chocolate biscuit. I use the digestive ones, so you can use any chocolate chip that you like. You can use that. And I have my tin, my cake tin that I'm going to use there, and I have 380 grams of milk. So that's about 1.5 cup of milk. So what we're just going to go straight to it. I'm going to use my food processor for this. I'm going to use my food processor. I'll just move it close here, and I'm going to add all my 350 grams of chocolate chips there. And then we're gonna grind them, and we're gonna grind them till they're fine. Finish blending, and if you want it really fine, so I'll show you what we're gonna do. So like it's really kind of fine. I'm just gonna add this in here. I'm gonna make a well. I'm gonna make like a well. A teaspoon of baking powder. Can you see? And I'm gonna add a quarter. I'm gonna just mix this together, just so that everything is well balanced, well mixed. You don't want to be testing baking powder in one place and then the other place is not properly mixed. So I'm gonna make it well. So this is a 3 ingredients cake. I'm gonna pour all my milk, and blender. I'm gonna go. So as you can see, everything is well mixed really nicely. So this cake actually will come out very moist, nice and moist. So I have my pan ready. My pan is ready. So I'm just gonna pour that in there just like that. This is a quick and easy cake for the lockdown, baby. Lockdown, 180 degrees Celsius, and it's ready. Voila! Look at that beauty. And I'm gonna cover it so that to keep the moist in. So I'm gonna cover it for 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes, look at that beauty. Oh, nice and moist. So guys, you're gonna try this. Tag me when you try this. It's really nice. Take care. Bye.